Hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back here with another hair video, and today I'm going to show y'all how to use onion juice to stop itchy scalp and to promote hair growth. So all you need is a small piece of onion. I'm only using half of a medium-sized onion. Then you peel it out, then slice it into smaller pieces so you can grind it. So I'm going to be using a grinder. I'm simply going to transfer the sliced onion to the grinder and grind it. So this is it after grinding it, and I'm simply going to get a small bowl where I will be sieving the juice to. So get a fabric or some sort of sieving material so you can sieve the shaft out of the juice, because we're going to be needing just the juice. It's called onion juice, remember. So I'm simply going to move the juice to this bottle of mine. You can use an applicator bottle instead, but in the absence of an applicator bottle, you can use any bottle of yours and pierce the cover. So your onion juice is ready, and all you need to do now is to apply it directly to your scalp. This is why I say you really don't need much, because you're using it for just your scalp, and all you simply have to do is to massage it into your scalp. Onion juice is rich in sulfur and so many other nutrients. It's also anti-inflammatory and antioxidant and antibacterial and antifungal, which makes it perfect for getting rid of bacteria and fungi such as dandruff. It also works so well for itchy scalp because it gets your scalp clean of every sort of bacteria, dirt, buildup, or oils that could be on your scalp, and in that way it promotes hair growth because there is a cleaner scalp for your hair to grow out from. After you're done applying the onion juice on your scalp, wear a plastic bag or a shower cap and let it sit for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then take it off and go on with your regular wash day routine. And trust me, this works so well if you're suffering from itchy scalp, probably because you're prone to getting dandruff easily. I highly recommend you try this out. It really works, and if you've tried this out and it didn't work, then it's probably an internal issue, probably because of stress or something else. Then you may need to see a dermatologist. And that's it for today's video. Kindly tell me in the comment section if you would try this out, or you've tried this out before and it's worked for you. Share your experience with us. I like to see your comments, and kindly drop a like for me and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.